So we have question. A cylinder rests in a supporting carriage as shown. The side AB, the side AB, this is the side AB. The side AB of carriage makes an angle 30 degree with the horizontal, and side BC is vertical. So this side BC is vertical. The carriage lies on a fixed horizontal surface and is being pulled towards left with a horizontal oscillation A. So this carriage has oscillation A towards left. The magnitude of normal reactions exerted by sides AB and BC of carriage on the cylinder be NAB and NBC. So this normal force, this is NAB, this is NAB, and this normal force will be NBC. Neglect friction everywhere. Then as the magnitude of oscillation A of the carriage is increased, the oscillation of this carriage is increased, pick up the correct statement. So this cylinder is at rest with respect to the carriage. The cylinder is at rest with respect to the carriage, right? So what we can do is we can just stand on top of this carriage. If we stand on top of this carriage, right, then according to this observer, this is at rest because it will experience a pseudo force in the opposite direction, which is equal to mass into oscillation. It is also experiencing another force, which is gravitation force, which is mg. Now let us see. So let us see this 30 degree, this is theta. This angle will also be equal to theta, right? And this angle will also be equal to theta. Now net force on the cylinder, on this net force on this cylinder should be 0 in every direction. So let us say this is y direction and this is x direction. So net force is 0 in y direction. So that means NAB cos theta is equal to mg. NAB cos theta is equal to mg, and this implies, since theta is constant, mg is constant, NAB is constant, NAB is constant, but NBC is not constant, because in x direction we have NBC is equal to MA plus NAB sin theta. Now even though NAB is constant, but A is increasing, so NBC is increasing. So we have NBC is increasing. So the answer will be NAB remains constant while NBC increases. So answer will be C. Thank you.